Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through the simple process of adding your full name to your profile in the VSCO app. Whether you want to personalize your account or make it easier for friends to find you, updating your profile information is quick and easy. I will walk you through each part. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, at the top of the profile page, tap the Edit option to access your profile settings. Here, you will see fields labeled First Name and Last Name. Then, enter your first name in the First Name field and your last name in the Last Name field. Make sure you spell them correctly to avoid any confusion. Finally, after filling in your full name, look for the Save icon at the top right corner. Tap on this Save button to confirm your changes and update your profile. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more helpful videos like this one.